Ready for an engineering challenge? Check out this incredible 1389-piece V-22 Tiltrotor aircraft building block set. A detailed mock model of the iconic Osprey that actually tilts its rotors. Compatible with major brick brands, this set lets you build a realistic military aircraft with movable propellers, landing gear, and a sleek design perfect for display. With 1389 precision ABS pieces, it's designed for ages 14 plus and offers hours of immersive, rewarding assembly. Once built, it's a striking piece of home or office decor for any aviation enthusiast. No batteries needed, just focus, patience, and a love for building. It's a unique gift for model collectors, military fans, or anyone who enjoys complex construction projects. Ready to tilt, build, and display? Check the link in the description below to buy this V-22 Osprey building set now. Thanks for watching, and build, tilt, fly.